In a landmark move that will reshape the global aerospace landscape, Turkey is poised to advance its industrial autonomy by integrating Piaggio Aerospace into its manufacturing ecosystem by 2026. This strategic initiative stems from the acquisition of Baykar and the ambitious restructuring of the historic Italian aviation company, marking a key moment in Turkey's evolution from a major UAV exporter to a diversified aerospace manufacturer. On June 30th, Turkish defense and aerospace company Baykar officially completed the acquisition of Piaggio Aerospace, a 140-year-old Italian aviation company known for its P.180 Avanti EVO business aircraft and maintenance expertise. The deal, approved by the Italian Ministry of Enterprise and made in Italy, transfers the Piaggio Aero Industries and Piaggio Aviation business complex to Baykar. Under Baykar's leadership, Piaggio's manufacturing capabilities will undergo a dramatic expansion, historically producing only 4 to 5 aircraft per year. Management plans to increase production to 25 to 30 aircraft per year by 2026. Through targeted investments in process modernization, Piaggio develops a variety of advanced engines, such as the Agate, designed for fuel efficiency, optimal performance, and low emissions. This engine is equipped with an electronic injection system, more complete combustion, and minimal vibration, providing a smooth and responsive riding experience. Piaggio's advanced safety features are also evident. Many Piaggio and Vespa models are equipped with ABS anti-lock braking system to prevent wheel lockup during emergency braking, ASR anti-slip regulation to improve wheel traction on slippery roads, and a high-precision disc braking system for maximum control. Piaggio is renowned for its use of strong, yet lightweight steel monocoque frames, particularly on Vespa. This technology not only enhances the vehicle's structural durability, but also provides greater stability and riding comfort. The materials used have undergone rigorous aerodynamic and ergonomic research. Keeping pace with the digital era, Piaggio introduces the Piaggio Mia multimedia platform feature, which enables connectivity between vehicles and smartphones. Riders can monitor trip data, fuel consumption, call and message notifications, and vehicle conditions in real time. Piaggio is also at the forefront of electric vehicle development. Through products like the Vespa Electric, Piaggio demonstrates its commitment to sustainable mobility with modern battery technology, silent engines, and zero exhaust emissions. All Piaggio products are manufactured to international quality standards, combining modern automation, strict quality control, and high-level engineering expertise. This is what has earned Piaggio trust in various countries and is used by millions of riders worldwide. Piaggio's sophistication is the result of a combination of modern engine technology, advanced safety systems, intelligent structural design, and digital and environmentally friendly innovations. By continuously adapting to the times, Piaggio not only maintains its legendary heritage but also sets new standards in the global two-wheeled vehicle industry. Piaggio is more than just an Italian motorcycle brand, but a symbol of technological innovation that has evolved over more than a century. Through its product lines, including Vespa, Aprilia, and Piaggio itself, the company continues to deliver cutting-edge technology that combines iconic design, high performance, and environmentally friendly technology. Piaggio's cutting-edge technology makes it a pioneer in the global motorcycle industry. Baykar intends to combine Piaggio's legacy facilities with its own engineering strengths. The goal is to create an integrated aerospace center where the traditional P.180 aircraft will be modernized and a UAV production line will be introduced within Piaggio's facilities. Rather than simply continuing existing processes, Baykar aims to embed cutting-edge innovations derived from its UAV expertise into Piaggio's operations. This could lead to the adoption of advanced avionics and manufacturing technologies for manned and unmanned platforms. By integrating Piaggio into its industrial framework, Turkey reduces dependence on foreign aerospace imports and develops domestic capacity for civil aviation and defense products. Baykar's traditional strength is UAVs, particularly in the global export market where it dominates. Piaggio's integration brings manned aircraft manufacturing into Turkey's industrial portfolio, opening up new markets and partnerships. This move positions Turkey not only as a leading UAV exporter, but also as a significant player in light aircraft production, increasing its influence in global aerospace supply chains. These developments also symbolize deeper industrial cooperation between Turkey and Europe. Baykar's stewardship of Piaggio helps maintain employment and technological relevance at Piaggio's Italian facilities while embedding Turkish industrial participation in European markets. The blending of Piaggio's design heritage with Baykar systems and digital innovation could yield new hybrid aerospace platforms, redefining sectors such as business aviation, UAV, and specialized aircraft for global clients. With expanded production and enhanced capabilities, Turkey may see accelerated export growth in both civil and defense sectors. Further bolstering its international industrial competitiveness, Turkey's plan to assemble Piaggio Aerospace in 2026 is more than a manufacturing shift, it's a strategic leap toward industrial independence. By merging historic Italian aerospace excellence with Turkish innovation and ambition, this initiative could reshape aerospace dynamics in Europe and beyond, signaling a new era of competitive, diversified production driven by cross-border collaboration and forward-looking industrial policy.